creation can be so overwhelming. There are lots of things to do. Find content ideas, create content, write captions, find hashtags, lots of things to do. Especially at the beginning, you have to do all these things by yourself. The best answer to all these stressful questions are a good content strategy. Content planning is a very important factor in a successful content creation. So, in this video, I break down this content planning strategy into 6 simple steps. Let's dive in. So, how to create a winning content planning? Step number 1, plan themes for your content. Before start creating your content, you have to find the categories that you are going to post about. What are the topics of your post? So, some categories may have specific styles. For example, let's say that you post about daily reminders. So, all these daily reminding posts may have the same style. Some categories may have specific color schemes or specific styles. So, this is like the roadmap of your content. If a post isn't about one of the things on your list, you don't post it, or you rethink your marketing strategy and add a new category. Then the second step is brainstorm content ideas. Now with all these topics in your hand, try to find content ideas to each and every category. Write down all the ideas that you can think of each and every topic. It is not that simple to think of ideas even for those people who are well experienced in this area. How you brainstorm is up to you. You can peep into the competitor's account and find what are they posting, what are the things that work for them, are there anything that I can get from them. Or you can review your past. For reviewing your past, you have to go back to your analytics. What are the posts that with the most engagement? What are the posts that get the most likes? Like those, you have to do this research by your own. Then the third step is decide when you will post. Now you have all these amazing ideas and all this amazing content you have created. Now you have to find the best time to post them. Sometimes the when is obvious in occasions like holiday content or a product launch. But there's a lot more to the when than the day you are scheduling it for. You also need to consider your overall posting frequency. You will have to experiment with how often you are posting a week, how many posts per day, at what time you are posting. The algorithm of all these social media platforms are changing all the times. So the things that may work now may not work in 6 months. So you have to experiment all these things and check your analytics each and every time you are scheduling your content. The step number 5 is write captions. The easiest way to do is choose one category and write all the captions for that category at one time. In this way, you can focus on one topic. You don't have to jump from one topic to another. This saves your energy. A little tip, there are lots of AI tools out there which helps you to write these captions easily. The step number 6, the last step, is to schedule your content in advance. Last but very unleast, scheduling. I don't need to tell you scheduling your content ahead of time is important for basic efficiency, but it's also the one thing that make or break your entire social media strategy. No pressure. But really, what is the point of doing all the above steps if you don't schedule your posts in an organized, efficient and a strategic way? So I hope these 6 simple steps will help to make your overwhelming content creation strategy a little bit more easy. I hope this video will help you. Let's meet with another video. Have a wonderful weekend.